Hello everybody, this is Tim. I'm here to show you how to get connected to our video conference call on Sunday, February the 11th at 7 p.m. Feel free to test this ahead of time if you want. It's live right now, and I will be available for any help and training, any calls, starting at 6 o'clock that night. If you're having troubles connecting, just give my cell phone a call, 701-741-1909. But connecting is as simple as getting on the internet, choosing Internet Chrome or Internet Explorer, whichever you prefer to get connected. Go to our district website, www.optimus-dmm.org. From there, you'll see that we have a district meetings tab. If you click on that, it'll bring you to the connection instructions. It's as simple as saying, click here to connect to call. If you click on the call in only instructions, that's going to give you a printout that you can print out the phone number to call in from your cell phone if you're going to be on the road. But I'm going to click here to connect to call. That will bring you to the free conference call website. You'll see you at the right spot if you see Kevin's smiling face right there. And it's as simple as clicking on join online meeting. First thing it's going to do is ask you who you are. And what we want you to do is put in at the beginning who you are. So if you're the president of the club, type in president. If you're the lieutenant governor, so we can track who you are on the meeting. So in my instance, I am going to be logged in as webmaster. Tim Getz. Put in your email address and type join or click on join. You'll see I'm connected also in there, or someone else is connected. I'm logged in with my phone too, so I got president designate, I got webmaster. You'd see who all's joined in the club so far by clicking on the little people icon right there. To be able to hear what everybody's saying and to talk to them, you need to click on the telephone icon, which is right here. If you click on audio preferences, you have a choice of just calling in with your phone. If I don't have a microphone and speaker on your computer, when you click on this, it's going to give you the phone number to call with all the access codes and the pins to use. And just click on next and it'll sync everything up. Preferred method is mic and speakers. Then you use the computer microphone and speakers that you have built into your computer. If you have them, click there. And it may prompt you to ask you to allow a free conference call to access your microphone. Just say yes. Read the screen if it doesn't. Right now we're connected. I can hear what's going on. If you want, and we'd like to have you, encourage you to do it, you can also share your video too as well. So by this camera icon, if you click on that, it turns on your microphone or your camera, and you can see that I am connected. There I am right there. Pretty easy, huh? Again, it might prompt you to allow or run to access your camera. But as the people start joining, you'll see the pictures go along the side here, and whoever's main talking would show up in the center of the screen. Preferred when you're not talking to have your microphone muted, so you have the microphone right here. Or if on your cell phone, if you can mute your cell phone or your landline to avoid having dogs bark in the background, different things happening to disrupt the meeting. When you want to talk, just click on the microphone and now I can talk and everybody can hear me again. Pretty simple, easy to do. Again, I'm available for a helping connection starting at 6 o'clock on Sunday night. Call my cell, 701-741-1909, and I should be able to help you out. Thank you for joining, and we'll see you on Sunday night, 7 o'clock.